Hey, fourth graders, this is chapter 12, lesson 2. I can accurately estimate metric units of capacity. And you'll know you've got it when you've got a 3, 4, or a 5 on your quick check. But if this one is not clicking with you, go ahead and watch a couple other videos, ask us at office hours, or leave a comment. We would love to help you with it. This is something brand new for you guys. So for our base unit for capacity, we have liters. So let me grab that other guy. It's like the last one we had meters was our unit, and we had kilometers, hectometers, decameters, meters, decimeters, centimeters, and millimeters. Now we have liters, which is kiloliters, hectoliters, decaliters, liters, deciliters, centiliters, and milliliters. But the only ones really used for that guy are the unit at the 1 and the milliliters. So liters and milliliters are what we're going to talk about, okay? All right, metric units of capacity. We have our liter and milliliter. So the amount of liquid a container can hold is its capacity. The liter and milliliter, you see how those are shortened, are units of measurement for capacity in the metric system that most of the rest of the world uses. You can still find liter and milliliter markings on some of the things that we have here, though. I would really encourage you to go look at some of the things maybe in your pantry or your fridge and see if you can find if it has a number in a large liter or numbers in the milliliters. You're going to find milliliters on the extra small stuff too. So a liter is about a bottle, okay? And then a milliliter is an eyedropper, so very small. For example 1, we need to decide whether 300 milliliters, so 300 eyedroppers, or 300 liters, 300 bottles, is a more reasonable estimate for the capacity of the mug. Okay, so 300 eyedroppers or 300 bottles? I'm going to say this one, the eyedroppers are a whole lot more reasonable. So 300 milliliters is the more reasonable estimate. All right. Example 2. Decide whether 600 millimeters or 600 liters is the more reasonable estimate for the capacity of the swimming pool. Okay, the pool's really large. And so 600 milliliters, 600 eyedroppers definitely would barely even cover the bottom of that guy. That's too small. So 600 liters is the more reasonable estimate. Okay? Let's think about these. I'm going to have you pause and write down your predictions for the next 3 things. And then unpause and we can walk through them together. Go. Okay, so in this bottle, remember what a bottle was? We had that as a bottle is a liter, right? So a Nalgene bottle like that is going to be definitely 1 liter. Okay, a sink. Are we going to be able to fit 38 eyedroppers full in here? No, that's not even going to fill in that little drain. Or 38 bottles full. Definitely 38 bottles. 38 liters. Okay, and then this hand sanitizer soap. Oh, liquid hand soap. My mind is on hand sanitizer thanks to coronavirus. 220 milliliters. Could we fit 220 eyedropper sizes in there? Or is that 220 liters, 220 bottles? Let me see, that's less than 1 liter. We are definitely going to want to go 220 milliliters. All right, next page. Let's do this first row. Okay, pause it and make your estimates, please. Okay, milliliters or liters, is this balloon, can we fill it with 150 eyedroppers or 150 bottles worth of stuff? 150 bottles is going to be way too big for that guy. I'm going to go here. Okay, a little thing of baby food. 120 bottles or 120 eyedroppers? Definitely eyedropper size. That's less than 1 bottle, right? Maybe mouthwash? Is that going to be 500 eyedroppers or 500 liters? This is going to be about half. 500 milliliters is going to be half of 1 liter. Half of a bottle? Does that look like half a bottle? Definitely. Okay, ketchup. 700 milliliters, 700 liters. A teapot, 1 milliliter, 1 liter. And a fish tank, 30 milliliters or 30 liters. Pause and make your guesses. Ketchup is not going to be 700 bottles. It's only 1 bottle. Less than 1 bottle. There we go. Is it 1 eyedropper full that can fill this? Definitely not. 1 liter. And 30 eyedroppers to fill this whole giant tank? No. 30 bottles of stuff. All right, go ahead and do your quick check. Please let us know if you're not quite understanding this. Feel free to refer back to the video again, and we will also post some extra links for you to go watch if these are not making sense the right way.